Is 2017-18 Panini Status Basketball. We're doing a one-box break. Coming up here, we're doing 2 random teams per spot. All teams are in the random. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left-hand side here, starting from Trade Winds down to Pegasus. We're going to copy all those names and bring you guys over to random.org. All right. Let's paste everybody in twice. You get 2 teams per spot. And as always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th and final time. Here we go. 9. 9 times. We got Ryan ST up top and Pegasus down bottom. After 9 times, let's copy all these names, bring you guys on over to our basketball spreadsheet, and paste everybody in. And we got the Hawks down to the Wizards. Paste you guys in, make those names a little bigger for you. All right, so these are your teams for the 2017-18 Panini Status Basketball one-box break. Once again, man, thank you all for getting in on this. I really appreciate it. And good luck, everyone. You never know, man. There's veterans and stuff in here. Here we go. Yep, they got veteran autographs. They got draft night signatures. A couple, actually, one of the last boxes, we got an autograph and a Jason Tatum jersey card. So it is 1 auto per box, but we have gotten jersey cards as well. All right, so it is 10 packs, 6 cards per pack. 17-18 Status Basketball pack number 1. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. All right, first up is Gary Harris, base, Denver Nuggets. Trying to make that a little better. All right, and Bogdanovich, Pacers. Malcolm Brogdon for the Bucks. And our first rookie, De'Aaron Fox, Sacramento Kings. De'Aaron Fox for Sacramento. That one's going out to Keith B. Rookie credentials for the Kings. Draymond Green, symbols insert. Golden State Warriors. And rookie Ike Anabogu, Indiana Pacers. That one's going out to Pegasus. All right, pack number 2 on status. Come on, buddy. Oh, why it's not zooming? There it goes. Pack 2. Good luck, guys. Nice rookie on the back, Boston. All right, here we go. First up is Devin Booker, Phoenix Suns. TJ Warren for the Suns. Miles Turner for the Pacers. Next rookie credentials, Caleb Swanigan, Portland Trailblazers, going out to Trade Winds. Caleb Swanigan, rookie credentials. And we got a gold Gallinari for the Clippers. LA going out to Trade Winds. And the Goldie is numbered 3 of 10. 3 out of 10 Gallinari. Gold for Clippers. Very nice. And last but not least, a rookie for the Boston Celtics, going out to Michael A. Jason Tatum. Very nice. Tatum rookie. All right, here we go. Next pack. First up is Kyrie Irving for Boston Celtics. Willie Cauley-Stein for the Kings. Eric Bledsoe for the Milwaukee Bucks. Status quo insert for the Pacers. Reggie Miller, Indiana Pacers. And we got a factions triple. Wiggins, Butler, and Karl Anthony Towns for the Minnesota Timberwolves. T-Wolves going out to Pooch. And Tyler Dorsey, rookie for the Atlanta Hawks, going out to Ryan S. So I'll still do for at least one autograph here. Nice Gallinari, number to 10. Tatum, rookie. Couple decent hits so far. Nurkic, Trailblazer, Portland base. Draymond Green base for the Warriors. Kawhi Leonard base for the Spurs. Next rookie is Josh Jackson for the Phoenix Suns. Rookie credentials, Phoenix, going out to Tradewinds. And what's this going to be? Ben Wallace, Richard Hamilton, and Chauncey Billups for the Pistons. Factions, insert blue, numbered out of 299. Detroit Pistons, that one's going out to Michael A. Nope, my bad. Tradewinds. Tradewinds has Detroit. Billups, Hamilton, and Ben Wallace, number to 299. Very nice. And another De'Aaron Fox, rookie for the Kings. Sacramento going out to Keith B. There's a thickie in here. It's a fake one. I was going to say, because if you get a jersey, you normally get an autograph as well. All right, Karl Anthony Towns, T-Wolves base. Jeremy Lin for the Nets base. Marcus Morris for the Celtics base. Parsons for the Grizzlies. Blank. The blanks are normally followed by numbered cards, so that's cool. A rookie for Cleveland, Zizic, rookie, 118 of 149, going out to Cleveland. And Ryan H. There you go, Ryan H. Picking up that Zizic, rookie out of 149. Cleveland Cavaliers. Another rookie, this one's for the Bucks. Milwaukee going out to Ryan S. Sterling Brown, rookie for the Milwaukee Bucks. Next up is Dion Waiters for the Miami Heat. DeMar DeRozan, Toronto Raptors. Nikola Vucevic, Orlando. What is this going to be? Oh, a little veteran auto. Boston Celtics, Michael A. There you go, brother. Cedric Maxwell, a little throwback. Autograph for the Boston Celtics, Cedric Maxwell. Pretty cool. Boston going out to Michael A. There you go, man. No numbering on that one. No serial number on that one. Next up is factions for the Thunder, Westbrook, George, and Carmelo, Oklahoma City. And rookie for the Sixers, Philly, going out to Michael A. as well. Markelle Fultz for the Sixers. All right, still got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left, so we've hit 2 one auto, 1 memorabilia out of some of these boxes. So let's see what we can do here. First up is Vince Carter for Kings. C.J. McCollum, Trailblazers. Rudy Gobert for the Utah Jazz. And rookie credentials, John Collins. Atlanta Hawks going out to Ryan S.T. Hakeem Olajuwon, Houston Rockets. Symbols insert. Houston going out to Tradewinds. And rookie Jordan Bell. for the Warriors. Jordan Bell. So 3 packs left. All right, Jimmy Butler, T-Wolves. Gordon Hayward for the Celtics. Brooke Lopez, that one's for the Lakers. And DeMarcus Cousins, Pelicans. Faction insert for the Bobcats. For the Bobcats. I'm looking at the screen and not at the card. For the Rockets, Chris Paul, James Harden, Ryan Anderson. That really would have been a throwback for the Bobcats. Rockets. And Justin Jackson, Sacramento Kings, going out to Keith B. Rookie Justin Jackson. All right, 2 packs left. See if we can get another numbered rookie or something here. All right, Gallinari base. Damari Carroll. Rajon Rondo. Rookie credentials, Derek White for the Spurs. San Antonio rookie. San Antonio is Michael A. And then here we go. We got a pink numbered Prince. Prince was a rookie last year, I think. 123 out of 299 for the Atlanta Hawks, going out to Ryan St. Number 299. And rookie for the Jazz, Utah, Tony Bradley, going out to Paul M. All right, last pack on Status Basketball. Here we go. Good luck, guys. First up is Paul George, Thunder, base. Russell Westbrook for the Thunder, base. Steph Curry, Warriors, base. Anthony Davis for the Pelicans. And did get a numbered rookie, Tyler Lydon. Pink, numbered 299, 201 of 299. That one's for the Denver Nuggets, going out to Michael A. Tyler Lydon, rookie, pink, numbered 299. Very nice. And last card is going out to the New York Knicks, rookie Damian Dotson for the Knicks. New York, going out to Pooch, 199. All right, so thanks again, guys, for getting in on the Status Basketball. This was the autograph. Boston Celtics, Cedric Maxwell. Pretty cool. That dude was pretty good in his day. Cedric Maxwell. No numbering on that one. For the Boston Celtics, going out to Michael A. So congrats again on that, man. And, of course, there was the gold Gallinari for the Clippers, numbered to 10. That was pretty sick. 3 of 10. Gallinari gold. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. It's Bambino. We are on to the next route.